Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. Since the day I started YouTube, one of the tools I really wanted was a teleprompter. What is a teleprompter? Teleprompter is a screen that reflects a text, so you can look in the camera without moving your eyes and people think you're actually remembering what you're saying, as it happens in TV, news, and whatever live event that it's going on that people need to look in the camera, but they're actually reading. Sometimes you can even tell they're reading because, you know, probably the teleprompter is too slow, but that's a tool that I've always wanted. And this company, Leeventi, reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to test out their product. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks and I'm actually loving it. It's really nice and it's a very simple system. Let's roll the intro first and I'll show you. So this is pretty much it. You saw the unboxing and the putting together. The camera is there. What you do, you put your phone, there you go. As you can see, it reflects on your screen, but you still are looking into the camera. So what happens is that the viewer thinks you're remembering everything by heart, but you're actually reading. It's great if you have bullet points and you're talking about something and you don't want to lose track, and it's nice to have it under your eyes. It will ease your work by a ton. As you can see, this is like a pretty simple principle. There's a glass screen. It's not a glass, it's plastic, so be careful not to scratch it. It comes with two bases and you know, the supports. It's all plastic. I even think it's not printed, it's molded, but anyway, it's something that a 3D printer can do. I mean, probably the only thing that the printer cannot do is this transparent, but it can be, probably a piece of glass would even work better. This piece of tech is currently on Amazon at 39 euros. You'll find all the links in the description. So, Leeventi Teleprompter 4.0, it's a must-have for every video maker and YouTuber. This will make your life very easy. I said easy too many times in this video, but that's pretty much it. It makes your life very easy. I will be using it just to have bullet points straight in the camera, so I don't lose track of what I'm saying. That happens quite often. But with this, it will be easier, as I said. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.